Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to make some unique geometries using circles and arcs. In this demonstration, I'll demonstrate how to create this U shape that is 90 millimeters tall, has an inner radius of 12 and an outer radius of 30. Heading over to our CAD software, here we go, we're in OnShape. We're going to create the shape here. Um, you'll notice that the object has our origin is at the bottom of the shape. We've got two arcs, inner radius of 12, an outer radius of 30, and a height of 90. That means we have an 18 millimeter thick stroke, if you will. So a pen stroke, it would be an 18 millimeter stroke. So there's my origin, where I've got started here. I'm going to go ahead, and there's a couple different ways to do this. I'll demonstrate both of them. First, I'm going to use the circle tool. I'll go above my origin and draw a small circle about 12, or about 24, because that's twice the radius. The radius is 12, so that means the diameter is going to be 24. And then I'll draw another circle with the same diameter, and click that center of that first circle and come on out to my origin. And then we'll go ahead and take the line tool and draw a line that touches the outer circle. Click and release. Then I come across, make a horizontal line, click and release, and then we come down here and make sure I touch this. With this one, I'm not, this one also make it vertical or anywhere, just make sure it touches that. And I'm going to double click on this one to get myself out of the tool. And then we're going to do it again. We'll click on that inner circle. I'm going to do a single click. We have a vertical line. I'm going to make sure it lines up with the first set. Click and release, and then I'm going to come across horizontal. You know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pick out an oddball one for I'm not happy with what I'm seeing, so I'm going to click release. And then we'll come down here and touch that. And there we have it. Okay, next step. I'm going to take the trim tool, and we're going to, which is the M on the keyboard, and we're going to trim away excess material. Which right now it's going to look a little funny, but it'll clean up. From here, we'll go ahead and get our constraints tools, and we'll choose, start with verticals. Make sure we get all of our lines vertical. It's supposed to be vertical. We'll start with our horizontals. Okay, and then we'll hit the tangent buttons. Tangent, next. Apply a tangent between here and here. Apply a tangent between here and here. Apply a tangent between here and here. Tangent between here and here. All right, the last thing to do is add your dimensions. So I've got an overall height of 90. We've got an outer radius of 30 and an inner radius of 12, and we're done. All right, so that's doing it using circles. We do the same thing using arcs. So let's go ahead and create a new point to start with. Come in and create a point. The other option is to, so I'm going to do this using arcs. So the first thing I'll draw now is just draw the lines. So I'm going to draw 3 lines. They'll line up with each other. Double click on that one. Do this one right here. So this is a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line. I've got another vertical, horizontal, and vertical. Get these to line up with each other. So I've got a horizontal constraint with that one and that one, between that point and that point. Make sure we have vertical constraints here and here, here and here. And now we're going to go ahead and take the tangent arc. I want to run a tangent arc from here to here, and then a tangent arc from here to here. And then we're going to go ahead and apply the tangent rule because we want it tangent to this arc, this, which it is right now. We want it tangent to here, which it is right now. And then we want it tangent to here and here as well. So we grab the tangent tool, tangent, tangent. And then let's go ahead and apply some dimensions. So the overall height was 90, which I can't do. So I'm going to have to hit the radii first. So hit the radii, that outer one is 30. The inner one was 12. And then I want these two centers to be the same. So I'm going to drag this center onto that center and let it go. And then this whole system is free to move around a little bit. I'm going to move that onto that point. So I'm going to get the coincident tool. I want to make that origin point and my circle equal to each other, and I want the centers to be vertical with each other. I'll take the vertical tool, align that center point and that origin. And now we still have some movement here, so we just need a height from the origin to the top at 90. So there's two different ways to do this. You can do it. Good luck and have fun.